At BlackRock Metals, everything we do is to challenge the status quo. We believe in maximizing social benefits. We believe in finding solutions.
Social acceptability is very important. So in order to achieve social acceptability, we have to consult the local population, both native and the Jamaizians, and in the case of the smelter, the people from Saguenay-Lac-Saint-Jean and the native nation there, the Inus. So we did that by going prior to finalizing the project to take people's consideration and integrate their preoccupation in our design so that we would have a more acceptable project.
So one of the things I think that we're proudest of that we've done is we've taken a traditional mining model, which is pretty selective about what you do, and we've opened that idea up to saying, you know what, we're doing a lot of work on this rock to get it down and pull out the various pieces. What of those pieces can be extracted as a valuable product? All the way through the metallurgical chain. So we've got a process flow right now, once we take our concentrate down to the transformation plant, where we essentially, it's like a manufacturing plant almost. Everything that goes into that plant comes out as a product. We don't have any solid waste stream to speak of at all in this thing. And I think that's pretty remarkable, actually. And it's one of the reasons I think that we're going to be very successful as we go forward.
I think what I particularly see in this project, which is different from most, if not all projects, mining projects I've been associated with, is the fact that it's a project for life. I mean, it's going to be mined over several generations. There's enough of those minerals there for years, decades to come, and I can see, you know, families and their children and their grandchildren work and live with this mine, which I think is tremendous for the people who live in the area, thinking of the First Nations in particular, for which it's a tremendous benefit. So, you know, it's kind of a unique opportunity over a lifetime to come across one of these situations where it's not only a company maker, but it's also a very important source of income, revenues, and good quality of life for several generations to come.
At BlackRock, we care about people. Safety is our responsibility. We want to lead the way to a sustainable future.